Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to create a passport size photograph using MS Paint. Okay, so let's get started. For this, you'll require a portrait photograph. Okay, this is an AI generated photo, so we'll use this photo to make this a passport size photograph. Okay, so let's do a right click on this image, edit with paint. Okay, let's remove the background first. To remove the background, here's the remove background tool. Select this. It has removed the background. Click on layers. Okay, over here you can select if you want a gray background in your passport size photograph. You can select this gray color. You can reduce its intensity from here. Okay, you can change how light shade you want or the darker shade. Okay, see, there's an option. So I'll select this gray and I can reduce how light or dark color you want. Okay, if you have a specific color code, you can enter over here and click on OK. Suppose we want to create a passport size photograph with gray background. Okay, we can select this. If you want the white background, you can just go back to this, select white color. Okay, and click on OK. So we will proceed with the white background. Okay, now next step. So first we have removed the background, we have set the background color to it. Okay, now we need to do a crop to this image. So we'll select this selection, select rectangle. Okay, now we'll select vertical image. Okay, now do a cut, edit, cut. Okay, then select file, new, don't save. Okay, over here edit, paste. Okay, you have got a vertical image. Okay, now let's set the size to this image, resize and skew. Select this, select pixels. Okay, size usually accepted for passport size photograph is 350 by 450. I'll just uncheck this. Okay, 350 by 450 pixels is required. Okay, click on OK. Now let's cut this. Click on edit, cut, click on file, new. Okay, select don't save, and now select edit and paste. Okay, you have got your passport size photograph. Now click on file, save as JPEG. Okay, I'll name this as a passport. Go to downloads. We are going to save this in downloads folder. Click on save. Okay, close this. See, this was our initial image, and from this photo we have made a passport size photograph. Okay, you can see the size 350 by 450 resolution. Okay, and the size of this photograph over here. That's how you can create a passport size photograph from any image. Okay, that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.